Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's daily LeetCode question is find the maximum nesting depth of the parenthesis. So we just given an expression like a postfix or a infinix expression. So we need to find the maximum depth of a character. So the string may be empty or it is a valid. So it is a valid parenthesis string. So it is a valid parenthesis string. So it is equal to, if it is has a equal number of opening braces and equal number of closing braces. So just we need to find the maximum depth. So there are several conditions. So the depth may be possible for the empty one, or if given a number, so we need to find the depth of the certain number. So if that number is an expression form, so we need to find the depth of the expression. So if it has a nested depth, so we need to calculate the nested depth of the valid parenthesis. So let's look into the example. Okay guys, now look into the example. So let our S be this expression. So just we need to have a count of the parenthesis count. If it is this bracket, so we will increment our count. So if it is a closing bracket, then we'll be decrementing our count. So let us take a variable parenthesis. So if we take a variable parenthesis, if we encounter this, so we will increment it to by 1. So here it will be 1. So when it comes to here, it will be 2. When it comes to here, it will be 1 again, because this is a closing parenthesis. So when it comes to here, it will be 2 again. When it comes to here, then it will be 3 again, and here it will be 2 again, and here it will be it will be 2 3 2 1, and here it will be 0. So looks like we have started with 0 and ended with 0. So equal number of closing braces and equal number of opening braces. So here we can look that our maximum depth is 3. So it is very simple approach guys. We just need to have a variable to have count of the opening braces and closing braces, and a max variable to store the maximum depth. So here it will be 1 will be the maximum depth, here it will be 2 will be the maximum depth. On traversing we can encounter that maximum depth is this, so simply return that max count. So let's look into the code explanation. Okay guys, now let's look into the code explanation. So here we can see that we will first initialize max and parenthesis to the 0. So on iterating to this string, if we encounter any open brace, then we will just increment the parenthesis by 1. So if we encounter a closing brace, we will just decrement parenthesis by 1. So at the end of every iteration, we will just keep the max count, and we will just push the max parenthesis count into the max variable, and finally we will return the max variable. So on this string, here our max will be 1 and parenthesis will be 1. Here our max will be 2, parenthesis will be 2. Here our max will be 1, but our parenthesis will be 1, but max will be 2 only. So here our max will be 3, parenthesis will be 1. So here our max will be 2, parenthesis remains 3 only, because 3 is the maximum one. So here our parenthesis will be 1, here our parenthesis will be 0. So just we will simply return the max. So maximum element in the array will be the max depth. So I hope you understand the solution. The code is in the GitHub. Thank you.